Good morning, students. Today I will explain you email writing. Okay, email writing is also called as electronic mail. In this video I'll explain you the introduction of email writing. Okay, and both formal and informal, there are two types of email writing, formal and informal. Okay, then we will see the format and one example of email writing. Now first we will see what is email writing. Email is the modern way of sending a letter through computer. Okay, email is easier and people try to do email because with the help of email we can send any images, pictures, lots of things together in one file. Okay, next we will see some important points. Now we will see important points. Important points means here lots of students make mistakes, so don't do that mistakes. So that's why some important points are there, that email can be both. In your exam it will they can ask in both form, like formal also and informal also. How letter writings are there, formal and informal. Formal means official. Okay, informal means we are writing to our family members, that is called informal. Friends, relatives we are writing, that is called informal. Okay, second point we will see content should be relevant to the topic. When we are writing email writing or anything, advertisement, anything we are writing, that time content should be relevant. Whatever you are writing, body of the letter means paragraph of the letter inside you are writing, that should be relevant, that should related to the topic. Second, see, it is also necessary to have email address of the sender as well as receiver. Okay students, now we will see the format writing. For format of email writing, this heading is important, means for address, how address is important, from, address to. Okay, same way also email writing, email address is important. For email address, in question name is already given. If name is not given, then you have to write like this. I took as an example, abcd@gmail.com, xyz@gmail.com. Then for date you have to write like this, 20 July, means whatever month is there you have to write full spelling of that month, comma, then year. Subject about what you are writing in email. If it is formal, then also you have to write subject, and informal also. Okay, then salutation is there. For salutation, if you are writing formal email writing, then you have to write respected sir, madam. Okay, and for informal you have to write dear friend. Then after that it come body of the email writing. Body of the email writing means you have to write introduction, means what problem. Informal is there, then also you have to write introduction, what is there, why you are writing email. Okay, then matter in detail. Okay, then you will write conclusion. Okay, please if you are writing formal, then you will write please do the needful. If you are writing informal, then you will write kindly give my regards to your family. Okay, to your parents, like this you will write. Students, if you are writing anything formal or informal, keep in your mind that don't use message language, means day to day we are using WhatsApp or messaging. Okay, that time what we are using short form of the language. Okay, so that don't use in this. You have to write complete sentence, full stop. Okay, and then you have to write everything in paragraph. First paragraph, then you want to write again more things, detail. Okay, so writes in second paragraph you will write like this. Okay, then end closing means close, you will write your friend. Okay, or regards you will write. Then yours, if you are writing formal, then you will write yours faithfully. Then sender name. Okay, sender name here ABCD, or if name is given, then you will write name. Okay, now we will see one example. See here, write an email congratulating your friend in Delhi on his brilliant success in HSC examination. So see here how I have written from amit@gmail.com to amita@gmail.com. For an example, I took like this. I wrote, then date, today's date 20 July 2020, then subject, congratulations on your success. Here in question it is already given, then congratulating your friend in Delhi on his brilliant success in HSC examination. So that subject came, then it is writing to your friend. Okay, so that's why it is informal. So will come, dear Amita. Then for email writing, you have to do short. Okay, short and simple you have to write, so there will be no lots of mistakes and all. So see here, heartily congratulations for your brilliant success. I extremely overjoyed to know your result. You really made it and fulfill your wish. Your parents also must be very happy and proud of you for your first position in school's merit list. Okay, means what you want to convey, your message is fully conveyed here. Okay, then give my regards to your family, your friend Amit. Like this short you have to write. Okay, for formal also, like subject will come, respected sir, what is means your detail write, and then whatever matter is there write in detail. Introduction you will write here, myself, this so and so name and all. Okay, then you will write detailed explanation problem. Okay, why you are writing formal letter. Then conclusion, please do the needful, then yours faithfully. Like this you will write. Okay students, now I will send the picture of this format also. Okay, if you are having any confusion, please ask me. Thank you.